Hi, I'm Fire Life Safety Educator Mike Otis of Sarnia Fire Rescue Services, and this is my pal Lucky. Do you know that having working smoke alarms doubles your chances of surviving a fire? If you don't have working smoke alarms, be sure to get them. If you need help knowing how to maintain and where to install your smoke alarms, feel free to call Sarnia Fire Rescue Services at 519-332-1122 or reach us on Twitter or Facebook at Sarnia Fire. Nothing makes Lucky and I happier than knowing you are fire safe.